Okay, so who's Henry? You said you'd tell me after we got going.
He's that big green engine who sits at the end of the shed.
Oh, him! Hope he's not like the others. Okay, so what happened to him again?
Don't you remember? The workman said he's having some steaming problems.
Oh yeah, right. Sorry, we left in such a hurry, I forgot. I just hope his train isn't too long. Bust my buffers, Henry! You look greener than my paint!
You're that new engine. Percy, was it? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just feeling a little tired. That's all.
So, where is this train meant to go?
Tidmouth Station. But are you sure you can handle it?
I'll try.
Your valve gear has jammed.
I've got an idea.
Well, I'll be. Percy. When I heard about Henry and you taking his train, I was worried you wouldn't be able to handle it. I was clearly wrong.
Sorry it's late, sir. My valve gear jammed.
Oh, don't worry about being late, Percy. You did your best. I got the train here. It was a smart decision to split it in half. I'm proud of you.
Let's get your valve gear mended so you can take a well-deserved rest.
But what about Henry? He's still at the docks.
I've already sent James to take him home. Henry, I'm not happy about this.
Don't worry, sir. I'm fine. I'll be...
This is the third time this week you haven't been able to work.
Excuse me, sir, but I think the coal is wrong. The other engines can handle it because they have larger fireboxes. However, Henry has a small one, so he can't heat up properly.
Well, what do you suggest we do then?
I say we get some Welsh coal. That could work.
I would, but it's rather expensive. I will think about it. Get some rest, Henry. There are extra parcels and letters this evening at the docks. Henry normally delivers them, but he's out of service at the moment. I need 2 engines to fill in for him instead.
Please, sir, may I do it?
Thomas and Percy it is then. All you need to do is collect the mail from the docks and deliver them across the island by the morning. Well done with the mail last night, you two. Everyone got their parcels and letters on time.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, sir.
Henry is still out of order. Would you two be willing to deliver the mail again tonight?
Oh, yes, please, sir.
Then it's settled then.
Come on, Thomas. Time for the mail train.
I don't know, Percy. I'm exhausted. Think you can do it alone tonight? Sorry, I know you wanted us to do it together, but...
He's gone.
You really like this job, huh, Percy?
Absolutely. Sodor looks gorgeous at night. All the pretty lights at the stations, the cool wind blowing against my boiler. It's all so peaceful, and it makes me feel light on my wheels. Plus, pulling the mail is an important job. It makes me feel just as important as Gordon with the express.
Well, still, it's not a race, so slow down a little. You almost caused an accident earlier. Another successful mail run completed.
Henry, Sir Topham had agreed to get the Welsh coal. It'll arrive later today.
Are you sure this'll work? How is this different from regular coal?
It burns with little smoke, makes short amounts of ash, and creates a great deal of heat.
Hey there, Percy.
Oh, hi, Henry.
What's on your mind?
Just a little tired. How's that new special coal treating you?
It's called Welsh coal. It's excellent, but I never got to thank you for helping me.
Oh, it was nothing.
Nonsense! You jammed your valve gear, but you still finished the job anyway. Splitting that train in half was a great idea. Thank you, Percy. You're a very clever engine.
Anytime, Henry. We green engines must stick together, right?
Yes, of course. Also, I heard you took the mail train too. Did you like it?
I loved it! It's my new favourite job. Sir Topham Hatt said I did a great job with it too. I loved everything about it, from the...
You can talk about it later. We have to collect our next train.
Oh, right. See you later, Henry.
Right, Henry. How's that Welsh coal treating you?
It's wonderful, sir. My fire is sizzling nicely and I feel great.
Happy to hear that, because I've got a heavy goods train at Knapford for Vickerstown. Do you think you can take it?
Absolutely, sir. Right away.
What's got you down, Percy?
Just a little sad I won't be pulling the mail train anymore. Guess it's only for important engines after all.
Ah, don't say that. I'm sure you'll get another chance to pull it someday. Plus, your other jobs are important too.
Yeah, I suppose. It's just, I want an important job like Gordon and the Express, or Thomas and his branch line. Henry said I'm clever, so I'm clearly worthy enough, right?
Alright, Percy. We'll be right back. Wait, did we forget something?
My handbrake! My handbrake!
Yeah, the handbrake, that's it. Wait, what? Henry, Percy has become a runaway.
Oh!
We may have forgotten his handbrake.
Get in!
Henry! Oh, thank goodness. I thought I was going to become fish food.
Don't worry, Percy. I'm on my way.
Thanks, Henry.
Looks like the water has put out your firebox.
Henry, what are you doing?
Percy, where is your train meant to go?
Marin. Why?
Marin? My train's headed for Vickerstown. Hang on, Percy. I'll get us both there.
Henry, I know your new collar's great and all, but your train is so heavy, not to mention me and my train too. Are you absolutely certain about this?
Without a shadow of a doubt, Percy. We green engines must stick together, right?
Percy, I heard about your little dive earlier. You're lucky you didn't roll in deeper. Engines drink water. They don't swim in it.
I beg your pardon, sir, but it wasn't Percy's fault. We forgot the handbrake and he rolled away.
I see. We'll discuss this in a moment. Now, Henry, a mighty fine job today. Pushing Percy as well as hauling your own train. My word, what a strong and useful engine you are. Alright then, off you go to pull the mail train. There's another train called the Flying Kipper waiting for you at the docks too. You've proven today that you're much stronger than we thought.
The Flying Kipper, sir?
Well, this is an important overnight goods train that would deliver fish and cargo across Sodor, and to the mainland. Since the Welsh coal fixed your steaming problems, you're the perfect engine for the job. I'm sure you could pull it as well as the mail train.
Excuse me, sir, but I believe it would be much quicker if I pulled the Flying Kipper on its own, or Percy pulled the mail train.
That's not a bad idea, Henry. Percy, if you could handle the extra mail, would you like to be on the mail train full time?
Oh, yes, sir. I'd love to. Thank you.
Well then, off you both go then. It's getting late.
Henry, I can't thank you enough for this.
Don't mention it, Percy. I know you'll do great.
This accident wasn't your fault, Henry. You are damaged pretty badly. Alright, Henry, here's what I'm going to do. I'll send you to Crew Locomotive Works on the mainland. They'll rebuild you from the ground up and give you a larger firebox. Then you can use regular coal again without any problems.
Sir, I thought you said Henry's back tonight.
Patience now, Percy.
You look amazing, Henry!
Henry, welcome back.
Percy, sir, thank you. It's so good to see you all again.
Likewise. Now, go get a drink and fill up with coal. You too, Percy. You both know what to do.